So hello everyone. So in this video we will be learning about data filter and filter activity in marketing cloud. So why do we use data filter and filter activity? Okay. So before we start, my name is Prithviraj and I have been working with marketing cloud for quite some time now, more than 4 years. So that's pretty much. Let's begin. So So first of all, why do we need data filters? Okay, so data filter, we let's say we want to segment a audience. Okay, we have a huge audience list, and we want to segment a subset of audience. Let's say based on some filter criteria. Okay, let's say uh, if the person is male. Okay, we want only the list of male users, okay, or men, in order to send them short advertisement, for example. Okay, so in those scenarios we use data filters. We can also use query activity, but query activity, if means like if you are comfortable writing query, it's well and good. But for simple use cases where data filter can uh, come of use apart from queries. Okay, so queries, if it's too complex use case, you can go with queries, but if it's a simple use case, you can go with data filters, okay, to filter based on some conditions. Okay, so first of all, in order to create a this is a step by step guide. Okay, and we will go through from one end to the other. Okay, and by the end of this video you will know how to use data filter and filter activity. Okay, so first of all, you will have to go to email studio. Okay, and in email studio you will have to create a filter definition. Okay, so in email studio you will have to go to subscribers and then data filters. Okay, and in data filter you will have to, you will see this create button. Okay, so you have to click on this button and you will get some pop-up like this. So since we are going to use segmentation for data extensions in particular in this video, so we are selecting the data extension option. And now once we select that option, we will see this kind of landing page, this kind of page where we have to give the condition. So this is a drag and drop interface where you will pull the conditions. Okay, in this example we will pull last name and email. For example, if the last name is test, okay, so or the email is contains test, okay, then we want to segment that. Okay, so this is a use case, you can tell. Okay, apart from that you can use other conditions as well, like I said, the men and women condition. Like if it's men, okay, there is a, let's say, column in the data extension, we, or a flag. If it's, if the flag is true, then you pull that data. So all those things you can do over here. Okay, so I dragged and dropped this email field. Okay, so email, and see, you get this multiple options: is equal, not, is not equal to, is greater than, is less than. So all these conditions are available. Okay, so in this case I am selecting is equal to, if this being a very general use case. So is, if email is equal to, for example, abc@test.com, or here you can toggle it between and or. So if the if this is the case, or if last name has testing, okay, is equal to testing, in that case as well we will filter that. Okay, so this, and then you will click on save. Okay, once you click on save, you will have to give a name of the data filter. Okay, you have to select the location and click on save. Now this is the source data extension. Okay, so this is the source data extension where we have 3 records. Okay, so this I have created this source data extension and put 3 records, and if you notice, 2 is meeting our condition, which is testing, and this abc.test. So we have given a or clause, right? Or, so both are having testing, so these both records will be picked up, but Jones won't be picked up in this case. Okay, now coming to automation studio, go to activities. Okay, so first of all, in order to create the DE, I believe you know that, so you have to come to contact builder and click on create, and you will have to create the data extension. Okay, then you will have to go to automation studio, and in activities you will have to go to filter and click on create. Okay, and you will have to select filter. Okay, out of these options, then you will have to give the name, and here you will have to select the filter definition. Remember, you just now created a filter definition in email studio, so you will have to select that filter definition over here. Okay, and once you select that, you will click on next. Okay, select the folder location, give a name, and click on next. Here you will have to give the data extension name. Okay, so the data extension name you can give any name. Okay, and once you click on next and save it, okay, if what will happen is a data extension will automatically get created, a target data extension in the same folder location as the source. Okay, so your source folder location, you go there, you will find a new data extension with this name, which is automatically created when you click on save. So here I have put it here, the target D should be found in the same location as the source data extension. Okay, so this is our target data extension. Now you come to automation studio, and in automation studio you click on create a new automation. Okay, and once you click on new automation, you drag this filter activity and select your filter you just now created. Okay, so you select that, click on choose and select that filter, and give a name, give a name to this automation. Drag and drop schedule, if you can schedule based on some time, but just in case you want to run it for one time, you will have at least have to give that schedule and click on save, and then you can run once. Okay, so in this case we will be doing that. So now we have selected our data filter. Okay, so and if you see, the this has changed to this, which is our selected data filter. So give a name and save the automation. Okay, and then click on run once. Okay, so once you click on run once, you have to select that and click on run, and your automation will automatically run. So you can check that whether your run is successful or not. So in the running step, it will look like this, where it's showing that it's running, and on completion, okay, on completion it will show like this, that it's completed. Okay, so now you can go to your target data extension and check. Okay, so here is our source data extension, this was the filter, and our target data extension, as you can see, has only two records based on the filter, which is testing and or abc test.com. So this will actually filter only those records which meets this particular condition, and they will be put in the target data extension. Okay, so then you can use this target data extension, maybe a second activity you can put, which is a email send, and you can send an email to this particular audience. Okay, so hope you like this video. So thanks for watching. uh, Thank you, bye.